Warm good morning to all my dear students. I hope that all are well and living safe life at your home. As you know, my previous class was depend on integers on number lines. Now today let us we discuss about other basic points. Your first point is addition of integers. I hope that all are know about the addition. Okay, so addition of integers. In this case we will apply some conditions. Suppose when integers are positive, when integers are positive, suppose you are taking two integers 5 and 4 and these two integers are positive. The meaning is 5 is positive integers and 4 is positive integers. So 5 plus 4 you will get 9. Okay. Suppose you have more than two integers and all these integers are positive. As you are looking, 2 is positive, 3 is positive and 7 is positive integers. Okay, after addition you will get 12. 12 is positive integers. The meaning is when integers are positive then sum will be positive. When integers are positive then sum will be positive. Okay, your next condition, when integers are negative. When integers are negative, suppose you have two integers. As you are looking, first integer is -3, second integer is -2. So after addition you will get 5. After addition you will get 5, but you are looking both integers are negative, so your answer will be negative. So answer will be -5. The meaning is the sum of positive integers are always positive and the sum of negative integers will be always negative. As you are looking, suppose you have three integers and these three integers are negative. Now look here, first integer -11, second integer -5, third integer -4. After adding you will get -20. As you know very well, the sum of negative integers are always negative. Okay, so then sum will be negative. Again, now let us we discuss about subtraction of integers. What is the meaning of subtraction? Now look here, suppose when you have one positive and one negative integers, but answer will take the sign of bigger integer. What is the meaning of this statement? Suppose you have one positive and one negative integers. Okay, please keep in mind, same sign always added, same sign always added, and opposite sign always subtracted. Okay, please keep in mind, same sign always added and opposite sign are always subtracted. Now look here, suppose 12 is positive integer, 7 is negative integer. After addition you will get 12 minus 7 means 5, but in these two integers which is biggest integer? 12. 12 is positive, so your answer will be positive. The meaning is answer is +5. Again I will take one example. Suppose you have first integer plus 7 and second integer minus 10. Please keep in mind, same sign always added and opposite sign always subtracted. So when you subtract 10 from 7, what you will get? It is not possible 10 subtract from 7. So what can you do? We can subtract 7 from 10. 10 minus 7 means 3. Okay, but in these two integers, which integers are bigger? 10 is bigger integer and 10 is negative integer, so your answer will be negative. Your answer will be negative. Just I want to give one more example. Suppose you have plus 2 and plus minus 8. These two integers are opposite sign. First is positive, second is negative, and opposite integers are always subtracted. Opposite signs are always subtracted. So in this question, 2 subtract from 8, you will get 6. You will get 6. But in these two integers, which is the biggest integer? 8. 8 is biggest integer and 8 is negative integer, so your answer is negative. The meaning is plus 2 plus in bracket minus 8, you will get minus 6. This is the answer of your question. Okay, just I want to give other basic points. Addition of integers on a number line. Suppose when both integers are positive, your topics is addition of integers on a number line. The meaning is, how can you add any integers on the number line? How? Look here. Suppose you have two integers and these two integers are positive. So how can you add these two integers? Now look here. As well as first you will make one number line. Okay, first you will make one number line, and after making the number line, we will make mark in equal distance. Okay, then after what will you do? You know very well, left side of 0 we will take always negative integers and right side of 0 we will take always positive integers. Okay, so in this question we will find that 2 plus 5. So first we take 2 step from 0, as you are looking 0 to 2, first step. Then after 2 we will get 5 step. After 2 we will get 5 step. Now look here, this is 1 2 3 4 and this is 5. After 2 you will jump after 5 step, then you will get 7. So answer is 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. Okay, I have one more basic point. Suppose both integers are negative. Both integers are negative. So according to question, first you make one number line. Okay, after making the number line we will mark in equal distance. Then after we will apply the procedure. Your first integer is minus 3. So from 0 we will count minus 3 step. Look here, 0, it is minus 1, minus 2 and this is minus 3. So from 0 to this is minus 3. Then after we will take, after minus 3 we will take 7 step. Now look here, 1 2 3 4 5, 6, 7. After 7 step you will get minus 10. So answer is minus 10. Okay. As you know very well, addition of positive integers are always positive and addition of negative integers are always negative. As you are looking, you have one third condition. Suppose you have one positive and one negative integers. When you have one integer positive and one integer negative, how? Look here. As you know, minus 4 plus 7, what you will get? First integer is negative, second integer is positive. Okay. The meaning is one integer is negative and one integer is positive. So what can you do? First you make one number line. Okay. Then after from 0 your first integer is minus 4. So from 0 we will take 4 step left side of 0. Why we are taking left side? The meaning is first integer is minus 4. So from 0 we will take 4 step to the left side of 0. Now look here. 0, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. It is minus 4. Then after from minus 4 we will take 7 step. After minus 4 we will take 7 step. How? Look here. After minus 4 we will take 7 step. Look here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. The meaning is your final distance is 3. Your final point is 3. So minus 4 plus 7 you will get 3. Minus 4 plus 7 you will get 3. So my dear students, all these are basic points about integers, addition of integers, subtraction of integers on the number line. I hope that it will be very useful to you for your knowledge and upcoming exam. Thank you. God bless you.